There are 8 engines on the market right now that will absolutely destroy your bank account with repair bills. I'm talking about engines with design flaws so bad that failure isn't a question of if, but when. And some of these are in cars you probably think are reliable. But don't worry, I'm also giving you the bulletproof alternatives you should buy instead. I've been rebuilding engines for 18 years, and I've seen certain engines come through my shop over and over with the same catastrophic failures. Today, I'm exposing the 8 worst engines you should absolutely avoid, explaining exactly why they fail, and giving you the reliable alternatives that'll actually last. And engine number 5, it's in one of America's best-selling vehicles. Engine number 1, Ford 3.5-liter EcoBoost. Let's start with Ford's 3.5-liter EcoBoost found in F-150s and Explorers. These engines have a massive design flaw. The timing chain system fails prematurely. The timing chain tensioners and guides fail, causing the chain to skip or break. When that happens, your pistons hit your valves and you've got a completely destroyed engine. We're talking $8,000 to $12,000 for replacement. This isn't rare. These failures happen anywhere from 60,000 to 150,000 miles. Ford extended warranties on some years because the failure rate was so high, but outside that window, you're paying out of pocket. The symptoms start subtle, a rattle on cold start. People ignore it thinking it's normal. By the time it gets loud, it's often too late. Reliable alternative? Stick with Ford's naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 or look at the Toyota Tundra with the 5.7-liter V8. That engine routinely goes 300,000 miles without major issues. Engine number 2, Nissan 3.5-liter VQ35DE. Nissan's VQ35DE sounds great, but has fatal flaws, excessive oil consumption, and timing chain problems. These engines burn oil badly after 100,000 miles, sometimes a quarter every 1,000 miles. The timing chain guides fail, and the catalytic converters get destroyed by oil consumption. That's another $2,000 on top of the engine repair. Warning signs are increasing oil consumption and a rattling noise from the front. Once that rattle starts, you're on borrowed time. The repair runs $3,000 to $5,000. If the chain breaks, you need complete engine replacement. Reliable alternative? Look for Nissans with the VQ40DE V6, or better yet, go with Honda's V6 or Toyota's 3.5-liter V6. Both have excellent reliability records. Engine number 3, BMW N54 and N63. BMW's N54 twin-turbo and N63 V8 are reliability nightmares with multiple expensive failure points. The N54 has high-pressure fuel pump failures costing $2,000. The turbos fail, wastegates fail, water pumps fail, valve covers leak. Each problem costs $1,000 or more. The N63 V8 is worse. It burns oil due to poor piston ring design. Timing chain guides fail, valve stem seals fail. These engines need complete rebuilds under 100,000 miles. A valve stem seal job costs $6,000 to $8,000. Timing chain service is $5,000 plus. Engine rebuild runs $12,000 to $20,000. Reliable alternative? Look at Lexus with their naturally aspirated V6 or V8 engines. They'll run 300,000 miles without bankrupting you. Engine number 4, Hyundai Kia Theta 2. The Theta 2 engines caused one of the largest recalls in automotive history. These engines seize without warning due to metal debris from manufacturing that causes bearing failure. The scary part, failures happen while driving. Your engine just stops, often on the highway. These engines are also prone to fires when connecting rods puncture the block and spray oil onto hot exhaust. Hyundai and Kia have extended warranties, but outside coverage, you're paying $6,000 to $8,000 for engine replacement. The failure rate is so high that some insurance companies won't cover these vehicles or charge higher premiums. Reliable alternative? Look at newer Hyundai and Kia models with Smart Stream engines, or go with a Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla with proven engines that exceed 200,000 miles.
Engine number 5, Ford 5.4L Triton V8. The Ford 5.4L Triton was in millions of F-150s and Expeditions from 1997 to 2010. It has multiple severe design flaws. The biggest issue is spark plug problems. The 2-valve version shoots spark plugs out of the cylinder head, requiring thread repair or head replacement, $1,000 or more per hole. The 3-valve version has spark plugs that break off in the head when you try to remove them. A $200 tune-up becomes a $2,000 nightmare. These engines also have cam phaser problems, causing rattling and timing chain failure. The repair is $3,000 to $5,000. Reliable alternative, Ford's 5.0L Coyote V8 is far superior, or go with GM's 5.3L or 6.2L V8s, which have much better reliability. Engine number 6, Subaru EJ25. Subaru's EJ25 has serious head gasket failure issues. These engines blow head gaskets between 80,000 and 150,000 miles without fail. Symptoms are external oil leaks, coolant leaks, or internal failure where coolant gets into oil. Once coolant mixes with oil, bearing damage happens fast. The head gasket job requires engine removal and costs $2,000 to $3,000. It's not if, but when. Turbocharged models also have piston ringland failure, causing oil consumption and engine failure. $6,000 plus for rebuild. Reliable alternative, newer Subarus with FA series engines are far more reliable. Or consider a Mazda CX-5 with Skyactiv engines or Honda's AWD systems. Engine number 7, Chrysler 2.7L V6. The Chrysler 2.7L V6 is legendary for unreliability. The main issue is sludge buildup that clogs oil passages and causes bearing failure. These engines are extremely sensitive to oil change intervals. Miss a few changes and the engine builds sludge that blocks oil flow. The timing chain tensioner fails first, then bearings fail, then engine seizure. This happens as early as 60 to 80,000 miles. Even with perfect maintenance, water pumps fail internally and mix coolant with oil. Game over. Reliable alternative, the Chrysler 3.6L Pentastar V6 is much more reliable. Better yet, look at Honda, Toyota, or Mazda for reliable V6 engines. Engine number 8, Volkswagen Audi 2.0T TSI. VW and Audi's 2.0T TSI has multiple expensive issues: timing chain tensioner failure, carbon buildup on intake valves, water pump failure, and high-pressure fuel pump failure. The timing chain tensioner causes the chain to skip or break, leading to $3,000 plus in repairs. Carbon buildup requires walnut blasting every 50,000 miles, $500 to $800. The internal water pump costs $2,000 to replace. You could easily spend $5,000 to $10,000 in maintenance and repairs over the first 100,000 miles. Reliable alternative, Honda's 1.5T or Mazda's Skyactiv turbo engines are far more reliable and cheaper to maintain. So there's your list: Ford 3.5L EcoBoost, Nissan VQ35DE, BMW N54 and N63, Hyundai and Kia Theta 2, Ford 5.4L Triton, Subaru EJ25, Chrysler 2.7L, and VW Audi 2.0T TSI. Each has design flaws leading to expensive failures. Stick with the reliable alternatives I mentioned and save yourself thousands. Do your research before buying any used car. Check owner forums for common problems and reliability ratings. And if this just saved you from buying a money pit, hit that like button and tell me in the comments which engine you almost bought. I'll see you in the next one.